How to check Buffalo Wild Wings hours and direction for a specific store. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Buffalo Wild Wings website. Here, click on Order Pickup at the top right, or Order Delivery. Then select your location, add your city, zip code, or state. Press on Use My Location. Then you'll find all the nearby stores, and you can scroll through it and select what you want to see. Here you'll find the I like icon. Simply click on I with a circle. After you click on it, you'll find all these information. You can click on Get Directions to get directions. And if you scroll down, you will find the hours as well, when it will open and when it will close. And this is how to check Buffalo Wild Wings hours and directions for a specific store. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.